Hello everyone. Happy June 20th. Today we celebrate nature, productivity, and refreshing treats. Let's explore 3 inspiring events. These celebrations make great moments to gift someone, even without a special reason. But if you missed out, don't worry. More exciting events are coming this month. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's World Refugee Day, a day to recognize and support refugees worldwide. A perfect gift could be donations to refugee aid organizations, books on refugee stories, or volunteering for humanitarian causes. How do you support global communities? Let's share in the comments. Next, it's National Vanilla Milkshake Day, a celebration of the creamy classic milkshake. A thoughtful gift could be a milkshake-making kit, a trip to an ice cream parlor, or a gourmet vanilla extract set. What's your favorite milkshake flavor? Share in the comments. Before our last event enjoying these celebrations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's World Productivity Day, a day to focus on efficiency and achieving goals. A great gift could be a planner, a time management book, or a productivity app subscription. What's your best productivity tip? Share in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You can find links to purchase matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for July 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.